Hello friends, welcome to Secret of Electronics. In this video, we will learn how to make a toggle switch using a D flip-flop. In this circuit, we are using the DM74ALS74AN dual positive edge trigger D flip-flop IC. In the circuit diagram, you can see that a push switch with a 1 kilo ohm pull-down resistor is connected to the clock input of the first D flip-flop. Another 1 kilo ohm pull-down resistor is connected to the D input of the first D flip-flop. The inverted Q output of the first D flip-flop is connected to the D input of the same D flip-flop. A 5-volt SPDT relay is connected between the plus 5-volt and the collector terminal of the Q1 transistor. A 1N4007 PN junction diode is connected in parallel with the relay to protect other components of the circuit from the back EMF of the relay coil. A red LED with a 220 ohm current limiting resistor is connected in parallel with the relay to indicate the output of this circuit. The base terminal of the Q1 transistor is connected to the Q output of the first D flip-flop through a 5 kilo ohm resistor. You can control any AC 220 volt appliance with this circuit. Just connect the AC 220 volt supply and load in series between the common and normally open terminals of the 5-volt relay. Now you can see that when I press the push switch, then the output LED turns on and off, and you can hear the sound of the relay. The relay also turns on and off according to the LED.